Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. So I'm back at it again. I'm in the marsh. The water is absolutely calm today. The wind is absolutely non-existent. So we're going to go out here, try to see what we can do, try to tackle some redfish and see what else we can catch. So stick around. All right, this couldn't be a more perfect sight to see. Right off the bat, I see birds working, and it looks like there's probably redfish underneath, so we're going to try to see what we can do and catch a few fish. So take a look at the water. Look at the top of water. You see a little slick forming. That's where the redfish are busting those shrimp. So when you're fishing redfish under birds, you always want to look at the direction that the birds are moving. That's typically the direction the redfish are going to be moving, and that's where you need to cast, because if you cast behind it, you're going to miss the redfish altogether. All right, we're hooked up. I'm trying to pull this guy away from the school so that I don't disrupt the school and maybe get on another fish here in the same school. .23-inch redfish. Alright, I see a couple birds circling around. Not as many birds as I saw the first time, but I can tell that there's redfish underneath. You can see that the water is so calm, so any little movement the redfish are making, you can just see on the top of the surface. And there's definitely redfish right here, so let me see if I can get one. Alright, got him. Check out the other reds scatter away. Another 23-inch redfish. Alright, so at this point the birds have kind of scattered. I think the redfish schools have kind of scattered. The redfish haven't left the area. They're just not schooled up anymore. They're just scattered among this flat I'm working right now. So what I'm doing, I'm just scanning the surface. Any little activity I see, I'm making blind casts to it. If I see a shrimp popping out of the water, or if I see a swirl, I'll make a cast to it to see if I can hook up with a fish. Got him. Here we go. Alright, like I said, I was just casting to where I saw surface activity on the water. And sure enough, there was a redfish underneath. Not sure if I mentioned it, but what I'm using is a chicken boy shrimp. This particular shrimp has a red body with a chartreuse tail. What I like about the chicken boy shrimp is the action of the shrimp whenever you just straight retrieve it in the water. This was a solid 24.5-inch redfish. Hey guys, that's it. If you stuck around for this long, I appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the support. If you like this video, please give it a subscribe, give it a like, and stick around. I'll be making a lot more videos in the future. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you guys next time.